Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Tribit X1 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $50. Now, before we get started, I got a little announcement I want to make. As of right now, the end of January, the tech game is pretty slow, especially with the phones. The next big one we got coming out is February 20th, the Galaxy S10. Now, we'll be at the event. I'm going to live stream it on YouTube. Anybody that wants to come through and keep me company in the comments section, y'all know where to find me. But in the meantime, I've been getting 1,001 requests to check out more true wireless earbuds, so that's what we're going to focus on for the next couple of days. Now, I just ordered a whole bunch. I got the Sennheiser Momentums, the B&O E8s, the Audio Technicas, the Raycon X90s, the Liberty Solos, the JBL Freeze, the J-Labs, the RHA True Connects, the Xiaomi AirDots, and a few more. I even got the bootleg AirPods for $50. We'll put those to the test too. Now, if y'all got any that y'all want to see specifically, leave them in the comment section and we'll check those out too. All right, so here we go. Tribit X1 True Wireless Earbuds, $50. Let's go through the features real quick. Lifelike hi-fi sound and rich bass. Now, you get a total of 18 hours for the battery life. That's 3 hours on a single charge. Then you use the case, charge them up a couple of more times. You can also activate your Siri or your Google Now by pressing the multifunction button for 1 second. The Bluetooth range is 33 feet, and they are splash proof. Not water resistant, you can't submerge them, just splash proof. All right, so here we go. Shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. Tribit X1. $50, simple presentation, nice little black box. Giggity, here we go. Inside, thank you for your purchase, plug it and file it. 30-day money-back guarantee, 18-month replacement warranty, lifetime support guaranteed. All right, I like that already. Pluck that and save it. Here we go. Okay, now these look pretty small. Here's your charging case. Little plastic on this. Let's see, you got a stick on the top. Okay. Charging case, let's see, this is micro USB charging on the back. Let's see, one LED on the front. Simple. Get a little accessory box. Let's see what's in here. Okay. This is going to be your micro USB charging cable. Short in length. Let's see, anything else? Felt something else in here. This feels like different size earbuds. Okay, you got some different size ear tips. All right, 2 different sizes. And here's your earbuds. Now check these out. All right, before we even look at that, y'all know I got to say it one time. Usual books and shit. Plug them and follow. Okay, here's your earbuds. Now look at these. If you're looking for low profile, these might be the ones for you. Very small, very discreet. All right, if you hate that pencil style, like the AirPods, this might be the next way to go. Let's see, you got a multi-function button on each earbud. Nice little clicks on those. Right and left labeled. Let's stick them in the case, see what they look like. Okay, let's see if it starts charging right up. Okay, there's your LED flashing on the front. Charging right up.
I love my white shoes.
Shout out to White Shoes, no days off. She almost bust her ass jumping on the table. White Shoes, calm down. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to connect these to my phone, and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, let's talk about the pairing process. Real simple. Take the earbuds out. They're automatically going to power on. Put them in your ears. The right earbud is automatically going to connect to the left one. You're going to hear some voice prompts. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Tribit X1s. Just that simple. Next, let's talk about the look. Here's what they're going to look like in your ears. Now, I like this look way better than the pencil style. These are very stealthy, very discreet. So if you got a job when you're not supposed to be listening to music all day, these might be the ones you want to check out. All right, so let's throw them in and see how they feel. All right, once I take them out of the case, I heard the voice prompt. It said power on. And it just said connected. Okay, that was nice and fast. Let's take it over to some music. All right, got one of my favorite shows, Power. We got 50 Cent, Big Rich Town. Now, I got these on max volume. Let's hit play and pause, and we'll try these out. One tap on the multifunction button is play and pause. Here we go. All right, it just said connected again. Left channel, right channel. Okay, let's try that again. There it is. All right. One tap is play and pause. Let's try double tap. All right, double tap is reverse tracks. All right, here we go. Say this is a big rich town. Woo, this is my show. I just come from the poorest part. Bright light, city life. I gotta make it. This is where it goes down. Ooh, I just happen to come up hard. Legal or illegal, baby, I gotta make it. A short path nowhere. Life's full of twists and turns, bumps and bruises. I live, I learn. All right, let me listen for a second. Now, this is max volume. Not the loudest in the world. Nice bass line on these. Okay. All right. I don't know the words to the song, so I'm sorry. I can't sing along. I'm just listening. I'm back here two-stepping, though. I lie under the covers and tell her, baby, I love her. You're my motivation. One more chorus. Say this is a big rich town. I just come from the poorest part. Bright light, city light. I gotta make it. This is where it goes down. I just happen to come up hard. Legal or illegal, baby. I gotta make it. All right, let's try that again. All right, one tap. Play and pause. Double tap. Let's see. Let's try the double tap. All right, double tap. Reverse the track, and let's try the Siri. What's the weather for today? Okay, I just took them out. All right. I know. Sound quality on these, I got to keep it a buck. Now, for $50, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to go too crazy. Not going to be too critical. Definitely not the loudest in the world. Nice bass line. If I had to compare these to the AirPods, though, now, of course, y'all already know what I'm getting ready to say. Everything on the planet sounds better than AirPods. These sound better than the FreeBuds. You know, these are $50 earbuds. All right, I'm just going to keep it real with y'all. I'm not blown away. I'm not going to overhype these up. But they do sound good. They sound decent, especially for the price. I'm not going to complain. Like I said, the music was loud. It was clear. The bass was a little bit muddy. Now, I'm rocking these on max volume, but it does sound a little bit deep. All right, if that makes sense. It's deep, but not clean, rich Bose bass. It's $50 bass. All right, so let's try these out for phone calls. All right, so I got a new 24-hour diner. Let's call them up and see what time they close. There's the Tribit X1s. Here we go. Max volume. Ringing out of both ears. I like that. Yeah, hi. What time you guys close tonight? Okay, great. 24 hours. Thanks a lot. All right, bye-bye. Okay, phone calls. Let me pull these out. Phone calls. Now, these are definitely loud for phone calls. All right, so if you're going to rock these at work and use them for phone calls, the sound plays out of both ears. That's most important. And they are loud and clear. Now, I don't know how great she heard me, but I heard her with no problems. All right, so for phone calls, these are a go. Now, let's check the lag latency. All right, so here we go. Now, I got one of my favorite Sopranos episodes queued up. Now, when I say latency lag, all that means is when you're watching a video and the person's lips are moving, is there a delay from what you hear? Let's find out. Okay. Wow. Literally no delay. Just shut the fuck up. All right, hold on. Now, somebody suggested that I put the earbud next to my mic. I don't know if this is going to work. This is my first time trying this. Let me know if y'all hear anything. I don't know if y'all can hear this or not, but trust me when I tell you, there's literally no lag. Now, I'm impressed with that.
What's going on, Rachel? 10 years. And not even a pleasant go fuck yourself from you ain't get.
I'm impressed. All right, let me throw this back in. All right. Veal Parmesan Hero, fuck you. I know, that's a classic scene right there. I am impressed. For $50, literally no latency lag. All right, so now if you're going to be doing your clandestine videos at work, have one earbud in and watch your movies, no latency lag. That's a go. Speaking of one earbud, let's do the test real quick. I'm going to put these back in. Let's see if we can play these one at a time. All right, so I'm going to take it over back to, let's see what do we got queued up. We got Big Rich Town still. All right, got the music on. Okay, I just took out the right earbud. It's still playing. I still hear it in my left ear. Okay. Now, again, I'm learning new tests every video. Somebody said try putting it in the case. All right, so the right earbud is in the case charging up. The left one is still playing. All right. Now, let me put the right one back in. It just said power back on. It just connected. All right, let me wait for them to pair back up. They just paired up. Now, I took out the left earbud. It's still playing. Let me put it in the case. Okay, now check this out. I took out the left earbud and it turned off. It said disconnected. Let's see if we can still play. Nope. All right, so that was a good test right there. If you want to listen to one at a time, you can only listen to the left earbud. All right, so that was whoever recommended that test. I appreciate that. This is a learning process for me. I don't know everything. If y'all got anything y'all want me to test when I do these videos, hit me up in the comments. And if it makes sense, we'll do it. Because last time I tested out the tick pods, somebody said I should have put them both in the case and see if they work. But let's try one more test. I'm going to put these both in. Let's see if we take out one ear, but don't put it in the charging case. All right, let's try that. All right, just connect it. Okay. So I took out the right earbud. I'm not going to put it in the case. Okay, so now it's working. So if you want to use just the left earbud, you can't charge up the right one. Let's try that again. Let's charge up the right one, though. See what happens. Okay, put the right one in the charger. I hear 2 beeps. It said disconnected. Now it's still playing. Oh, okay, that's kind of weird. Now it's still playing. Look, I'm going to press play and pause. This play and pause. Okay, it's still playing. Let's try this again now. Let's put the right earbud back in. It said power on, connected. Now they just sync to each other. Okay, so now I'm going to take off the left one, put it in the charging case. Okay, let's see. It said disconnected. Okay, so maybe I did that backwards. All right, so like I said, if you want to listen to music, you can only use the left ear. Matter of fact, here, let me try this. Let me try one more thing. I know. I'm going to try this. I'm not going to put it in the charging case. Okay, now they both back in. I'm going to take out the left ear and not put it in the charging case. Okay, now it's still playing. Got to be quicker than that, shoes. All right, so it's still playing. Let's hit play and pause. All right, so now, basically, if you want to use one ear at a time, you can use either one you want. Just don't put them in the charging case. Now, once you put the right one in the charging case, it's a done deal. Or the left. I can't remember. Just rewind the video. You've seen the test for yourself. What else? Anything else we got to test out? All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Tribit X1s, I'm giving these a go. For $50, the price is right. Now, as far as the fit, nice and lightweight, super stealthy. I like them way better than that pencil style from the AirPods. They look nice. Very discreet. You can wear these at work all day without drawing attention to your ears. They feel comfortable. I did the head shake test. They didn't fall out of my ears, so you can definitely rock these in the gym. As far as the sound quality, the music is loud enough. Now, my one gripe would be I wish it was a little bit louder, and I wish the bass was a little bit less muddy. But for $50, you're not getting Bose quality. It is what it is. They sound decent. Phone calls, plays out of both ears, very loud, crystal clear on my end. I don't know how the other person heard me, but like I said, I heard her perfectly fine. The biggest bonus to these earbuds will be the lag latency. All right, so if you're going to wear these at work all day and watch all my YouTube videos, you're not going to see any delay in the lips. That might be the biggest selling point on these, no lag latency. That is a major go. 3-hour battery life on one charge, that ain't bad, and you can use the battery case to charge them up 4 more times. And like I said, they are splash proof. Don't submerge them, rock them to the gym, get all nice and sweaty, and you're good to go. Overall, Tribit X1s, $50, these is a go. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. And like I said, if y'all got any Bluetooth earbuds that y'all want me to check out in the next couple of weeks, hit me up in the comments. All right, it's almost time to get your fat ass off the couch, get back in the gym. We still got about maybe 2 more weeks of Team Fat Ass. Then we got to start working out. So this is the perfect time to shop for some Bluetooth earbuds, and I'm going to check them all out. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Alright, Shoes, I gotta keep it real. You just scared the shit out of me with that ninja entrance? You lucky you so cute, though.